Today I'll show you how to create a realistic drop shadow in Photoshop. First of all, create a new documents. Change background layer to normal layer. Add background color. Filter. Noise. Add noise. Press OK. Create a text. Using horizontal type tool. Change it to white color. Right-click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Make a copy of this layer. Select this layer. Color overlay. Make it back. Now go to Filter. Blur Gallery. Choose Path Blur. Drag this arrow for shadow moving. Follow this process. When you finish, press OK. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.